I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah. She said, I need a new.
What is going on, YouTube? We are back at it again with another video. Hopefully, it's gonna be the last video of us messing around with this Integra as far as the little body work we've been doing. Here's the car, quick walk around. We kind of tacked it off, so hopefully we don't kick up too much dust on it. We don't really care that much, we just want the car to look decent. Here's the bumper, all primered and sanded down. Whole car sent down. We're using this Rustoleum that I showed you in the last video. The turbo cans, we're gonna see how good they are. For all the videos I watched, everybody has pretty much kind of persuaded me into using these. So you guys are gonna find out firsthand if these are crappy or not. So here goes nothing, man. Here goes nothing. This is gonna be a quick video, kind of like a review. If it's trash, we're gonna let you know. That's what we do here. Here is coat number 1. The fluorescent lights kind of giving it a little yellow hint of sheen to it, but it's pretty white. Has a good gloss to it already. That's just coat number 1. So we shall be back. I'm actually filming me doing the rest of the car, but we kind of testing this out on the actual bumper itself, so we can see if it's any issue, fish down or anything like that. So be back. All right, here is the bumper. It's pretty much painted. I don't know if you can see it, but it is pretty. That bumper has a blemish right there. Don't pay that any mind. All right, you can see right here. If I can take the light off a little bit, it's really hard to convey how shiny it is. It's very, very shiny. Let me get over here where it says Integra on the bumper. You can kind of see. It's really glossy. That's pretty much no clicker. Let me turn the ISO down. Maybe that helped a little bit. Not really. We gotta give you a proper video when the car's outside.
Keep searching for your trace in the dark, losing myself in the endless memories of the end right from the start. You're an obsession in my head, I can't forget your eyes. Your kiss was fair, my skin, I feel so empty inside.
Okay, this is last coat. Everything looks good so far. Hopefully I don't screw it up on this last one.
2,000 years later.
Got to test out my camera. This is what I do basically. I spin around a couple times and then I see how it look. Okay, this is future KT here, talking from about a month ahead of the current video that I posted. So technically this is the future, but it's going in the past because I suck at recording. And this is my beautiful wife, and she's El Pregnito, and we out here matching. And last video I uploaded was me and my homeboy Terrell, and we out here doing the whole car thing. I didn't really talk that much. I realized after I went back, I didn't talk hardly any of that whole video. And I had 2 people watch the new video that was uploaded, and it was like, oh, where's all the talking at? And I'm like,
oh, you're trash, bro. Is them tears, bro? Come on, bro. You gotta get you together, boy.
I suck at doing YouTube stuff. I'm sorry. You can punch me when you see me or whatever the case may be. I don't care.
Don't do that. You got security.
That's my security guard. Y'all better watch out for it. So the car, we finished putting everything. It looks completely different, completely better. I'm gonna show you in a second, but I'm gonna add a couple clips into the current video. So this is from the future. Remember, this is future KT. This is not current KT that you're watching on the video. This is future me. So I'm gonna pause it for a second. On the current video, me and Terrell are painting the car, and well, I'm painting, he's helping me. For some strange reason, the paint that I had, I did not have enough. I drove almost an hour to get another can or 2 cans, and the can that I bought was a dud or whatever, and it basically ruined half the car. After I sprayed it, just wrinkled up. So we had to end up sanding it down and going back and respraying it and blah 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 blah. So but it turned out good, and I guess I can show you people now in this video. This is going to be a shorter video of me explaining what I did in the last video, because I didn't talk in that video.
You weird, buddy. You're weird.
I know this is confusing, and I'm confusing her because she's like, what is he talking about? What is he talking about? So here's the car. It's white. It looks better on camera because we got to go back and really redo some stuff on it, but it's fine. And it's also dirty right now. So. What are you talking about? The birds? The birds out here chirping and being all extra happy today. So the whole thing actually came out pretty good. Got the new taillights on. My exhaust is still like that though. The exhaust is still crazy looking, but that's okay. That's fine. The wheels are still paint. I'm still gonna do those different at some point. Turned out really good for a rattle can job. We got some overspray action, but that's not too bad. Needs to be wet sanded and buffed. You got like weird spots that you can't really see like that. Other than that, it turned out good. Can't complain. And that's my beautiful lady. More like one. Like one thumb. I need to go back and do this whole side over, but I'm lazy, so I'm not worried about it right now. It's not that serious. It literally cost $50, and we painted this whole car. So this is what a $50 paint job looks like. And for everybody who's seen the video knows how bad it was. If you haven't seen the last video, I'm disappointed in you. And what are you doing? Go back and watch it. Also like and subscribe to the video, because that's what you're supposed to do. And I'm gonna get some quick clips of it and add it into this video so you can see what it really looks like. Actually, it looks pretty good. Can't complain about it at all. And, oh yeah, I got to add on top of that, I didn't record anything because of course I suck. but I actually went through this hard, worrisome process of putting SI seats in here. But of course I didn't record it because I'm an idiot. Pretty face, so pretty. Oh, you so pretty. Motorcycles. Well, this is just a quick video, just for slap on the channel. I have more stuff to upload soon. Hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe as usual, and we are out of here. Peace out.
Through the bank, king of the hill, feeling like I ain't. Living this show, standing high, feel like a tank, yeah.